Hey guys, it's little Melanie, and today we are going to be making Forky from Toy Story 4. It just came out, and we're going to be doing it with...
It's about to go with 5, but...
So we're doing it with...
Small Annabelle.
Okay, so the stuff you're going to be needing is obviously this guy.
And 2 of these.
Well, we just cut it, so that's why it looks kind of weird. I did this one. And
why did we cut it?
We cut it because there was no sporks at Walmart or anywhere. So yeah, school's over. We can't go get it.
So we just need to use spoons and forks.
Yeah.
I guess.
We just made that.
Yeah.
So what else do you need?
We also need pipe cleaners
And the glue. And then we need these colors.
Wiggly Eyes.
Guys,
What?
you know what's
What?
funny? This is my favorite color and this is her favorite color.
Yeah. So you're actually going to need one big pack of googly eyes and one small eye pack. Because if you guys can see on a picture, there's probably, it is going to show
And
one big eye and one little eye.
And you need some sticks.
Popsicle sticks.
Yeah, popsicle sticks. So you could like break them in
Yeah.
half.
Yeah.
So it could be the feet and look.
Okay, so let's get to it, guys. Oh, and you're also going to be needing gum.
Yeah, for 2.
So basically, have your parents chew it if you want, because that's what they're doing right now. And then they're going to give it to you, and then after you cut it with cut these guys, like you grab one and then you just break it apart.
Yeah.
You're gonna obviously have 2 pieces,
But
and you're going to chew the gum and stick them together like glue.
It's gonna probably hurt your fingers, so you need to have the doctor.
You mean a parent? Okay. So yeah,
Do it.
let's get started. Okay, so first we are going to start by doing the eyes. But what I learned from this lesson is you guys might not want to put a lot of glue because it might get really, really dripping. So you might want to just put a little drop of glue like I did.
Guys, so today I accidentally put too much glue on my eye. And I accidentally messed up, but it's okay.
Okay guys, now we're going to be doing Forky's little hands. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to wrap it around him 2 times with both hands. So on one arm you're going to fold it around him, and then the other hand you're also going to do it. And then, yeah, so as you can see, and then, yeah, you're going to do that. And then, after it, you're going to do little hands, and then it doesn't have to be perfect. So, yeah. I was having trouble with Forky's hand, so yeah, I asked my dad to help. If you have a parent with you, you can go ahead and help them too. But, so you guys should know, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay guys, now you're going to need red for the eyebrows. They're kind of like paints. So do like a little squiggly. And then after, you are also going to use blue. Wait for it, Forky. There you go. Now, the smile. The smile is going to go a little squiggly too, and it's going to be a happy face. You don't have to do a happy face. It can be like my little sisters.
that looks like on the hair.
Stick it to the thing.
No. Not like that.
What?
It's supposed to be.
It wants to go to the trash.
Oh, that's why it's falling over.
Yeah.
What happened to his face?
I don't know. Look at my face.
His face is melting. Let me see yours. Wow. Forky.
It looks like a heart.
So cool.
I want to go to the trash.
I'm going to
Bye.
the trash. Mom, look.
Okay, guys, this is how you make Sporky.
That is working.
Like, subscribe, click the notifications button, and share with your friends.
His eye's gonna completely fall off. It's in his mouth now.
His eyes